Worried about your septic tank smell? If the smell coming from your septic tank is not pleasant, you must try this new method. A team of 14 scientists from a prestigious university in the US has developed a tiny but special 55 grams tab that helps eliminate smell in just 3 days and also destroys pathogens and viruses by neutralizing the wastewater from your septic tank. Keeping your family, your neighbors, and the environment safe. So, if you own or live in a house with a septic system, be sure to check out the link description below, because your family's well-being is in danger. Like and subscribe to our channel. Get the link below to learn more.